For Florida business owners in Florida, understanding building codes is crucial to operating safely and legally. Florida's stringent building codes ensure structural integrity, safety, and accessibility, but compliance can be complex. Here's what every business owner should know about Florida commercial building codes. First, stay updated with Florida building code changes. Florida updates its building codes regularly to improve safety and adapt to environmental challenges, especially regarding hurricane resistance. Ensure that any construction of major renovations aligns with the latest code updates. Next, be aware of permitting requirements. Florida building codes require permits for most construction, renovation, or structural changes. Working without permits can lead to fines and even forced demolition. Always obtain the necessary permits from your local building department to avoid complications. You should also ensure ADA compliance. Commercial properties in Florida must meet the ADA standards for accessibility. This includes accessible entrances, bathrooms, and pathways. Non-compliance can lead to fines or lawsuits, so plan accordingly in any building design. You should also be aware of energy efficiency standards. Florida's codes also prioritize energy efficiency to reduce environmental impact and costs for business owners. Verify that your building meets insulation, lighting, and HVAC standards to comply with energy codes and save on utility bills. Next, hurricane and wind resistance codes are also a top concern. Due to Florida's hurricane-prone climate, building codes include strict requirements for wind resistance. Ensure your property is equipped with impact-resistant windows, doors, and roofs to protect against extreme weather and meet code requirements. Finally, engage qualified contractors. Working with licensed, knowledgeable contractors ensures your project complies with all Florida building codes. Licensed contractors understand state and local code requirements and can guide you through the inspection and approval processes. Understanding and complying with Florida building codes will help protect your business, employees, and customers. For detailed guidance, consult a business law firm in Florida that specializes in construction and compliance.